Over 60, this one fruit builds muscle and kills sarcopenia. At age 60, your body naturally starts losing muscle. It's called sarcopenia. You might feel weaker or move slower, or have a harder time staying active. Most people think only exercise and protein help, but here's what many don't realize. Some fruits can actually help rebuild and protect your muscles. Certain fruits are packed with antioxidants, natural sugars, vitamins, and minerals that support blood flow, reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and help your muscles recover and stay strong as you age. In this video, we're going to look at 7 powerful fruits that fight muscle loss, boost energy, and help you stay active and independent after 60. If you find this video helpful, tap the like button and leave a comment. It really helps more people discover this content. Let's dive in and see which fruits your muscles are secretly craving. 1. Dates. Dates are one of those simple fruits that often get overlooked, but they're actually one of the best foods older adults can eat to help rebuild muscle and get their energy back. These little brown fruits have been eaten for thousands of years, and it's not just because they taste sweet and delicious. What makes dates so special is how packed they are with nutrients that directly support muscle health, especially for people over 60. As we age, our bodies naturally slow down, and muscle loss becomes a serious issue. One of the main reasons for this is that we don't eat as much or move as often, so our muscles don't get the fuel they need to stay strong. That's where dates come in. Dates are full of natural sugars like glucose and fructose, which give the body a quick boost of energy, but without the crash you get from processed sugar. This steady energy is exactly what aging muscles need to power through walks, workouts, or even just a busy day. When your muscles have enough fuel, they can actually rebuild and grow instead of breaking down. But that's not all. Dates are also loaded with potassium, a mineral that plays a huge role in how your muscles move. Potassium helps your muscles contract and relax properly. If you've ever felt a sudden cramp in your leg or a twitch that won't go away, there's a good chance your potassium levels are low. Dates help fix that. Potassium also supports fluid balance and healthy blood pressure, both of which are important for keeping muscles working the way they should. And here's something even more impressive. Dates are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids. These powerful plant compounds help protect your muscles from damage caused by oxidative stress, something that gets worse with age. Oxidative stress is like rust inside your body. It slowly damages your cells and tissues, including your muscles. But antioxidants clean that up, helping your muscles recover faster and stay strong longer. And don't forget about vitamin B6. Dates contain a small but important amount of this vitamin, which helps your body break down and use protein. Since protein is the main building block of muscle, getting enough B6 makes it easier for your body to turn the food you eat into actual strength. So when you enjoy a few dates each day, you're not just having a sweet snack, you're giving your muscles the tools they need to recover, grow, and keep you moving well into your later years. 2. Pomegranates. They're one of the most powerful fruits you can eat when it comes to keeping your muscles strong and healthy after 60. Behind those bright red seeds is a fruit packed with nutrients that support your body in ways most people don't even realize. One of the biggest benefits of pomegranates is how they help improve blood flow, and that's incredibly important for older adults. As we age, blood circulation naturally gets a bit slower, which makes it harder for oxygen and nutrients to reach your muscles. That means slower healing, more soreness, and weaker strength over time. But pomegranates are rich in something called polyphenol, especially a type called punicologens. These plant compounds help your body create nitric oxide, a natural substance that relaxes and opens up your blood vessels. When blood flows more freely, more oxygen and nutrients can reach your muscle tissue, and that speeds up muscle repair and growth. Simply put, better blood flow means better muscles. If you're someone who tries to stay active but often feels sore or worn out for days after, this fruit might become your best friend. In fact, studies show that drinking pomegranate juice before and after exercise can actually help reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery. That's a huge deal for people over 60 who are doing their best to stay active and independent, but who may need more time to bounce back after a walk, a class, or even a light workout. By adding pomegranate to your routine, you could start feeling stronger sooner and with less pain holding you back. Pomegranates also bring another big benefit to the table. They're loaded with vitamin C. This vitamin helps your body make collagen, a type of protein which keeps muscles, tendons, and joints strong and flexible. Without enough collagen, your muscles can feel stiff and they become more prone to injury. And there's more. Pomegranates contain natural nitrates, which help your muscles use oxygen more efficiently. That means you may feel less tired during physical activity, and you might be able to move longer without feeling drained. All these little things add up. So, when you eat a pomegranate or sip on some juice, you're not just enjoying a delicious fruit. You're feeding your muscles what they need to heal, grow, and stay strong. 3. Grapes may seem like just a tasty treat, but they're actually one of the most powerful fruits for supporting muscle energy and strength, especially as we get older. Red and purple grapes in particular contain a natural compound called resveratrol. This antioxidant is like a secret weapon for your muscles because it helps boost the function of something called mitochondria. Think of mitochondria as the batteries inside your cells. They create the energy your muscles need to move, heal, and grow. But as we age, these batteries start to slow down. They don't produce energy like they used to, which is why muscles feel tired more easily and recovery take longer. Resveratrol helps protect and recharge these energy centers, giving your muscles the power they need to keep going. That's a big deal if you're trying to active and independent after 60. Grapes are also extremely hydrating with over 80 water content. As we age, it's easy to forget to drink enough water, and dehydration can sneak up on us, causing muscle cramps, stiffness, and soreness. Eating grapes helps your body stay hydrated naturally, which keeps your muscles working smoothly and feeling better after activity. What's more, grapes provide important nutrients like vitamin C, which helps your body produce collagen, the protein that keeps muscles and connective tissues strong and flexible. They also contain vitamin K, which supports healthy bones, and strong bones are key to good muscle function. Without a solid foundation, your muscles can't work the way they're supposed to. Grapes also fight inflammation through natural compounds called flavonoids. Inflammation can slowly wear away muscle over time, but grapes help keep that process in check. Plus, they contain manganese, a mineral that helps your body use protein and create energy too. Things essential for muscle repair and growth. So, with every handful of grapes, you're giving your body the tools it needs to stay strong and energized. For figs might not get as much attention as some other fruits, but they're truly a hidden gem when it comes to supporting muscle health, especially after age 60. One of the biggest reasons figs are so helpful is because they're packed with fiber. Fiber is essential for keeping your gut healthy, and you might be surprised to learn just how important a healthy gut is for strong muscles. As we age, our digestion naturally slows down, and that means our bodies can struggle to absorb the important nutrients muscles need, like protein and minerals. By eating fiber-rich fruits, like figs, you help your digestive system work better. So, your muscles actually get the fuel and building blocks they need to repair and grow. but fiber is just the start. Figs are also full of minerals like calcium and magnesium, which play key roles in how your muscles work. Calcium is crucial because it helps your muscles contract. Without enough calcium, you might feel weak or have trouble moving easily. Magnesium, on the other hand, helps relax your muscles and supports protein synthesis, which is how your body builds and repairs muscle tissue. Together, these minerals keep your muscles functioning smoothly, helping to prevent cramps, spasms, or that stiff feeling many seniors know too well. On top of that, figs have a natural sweetness that's perfect for restoring glycogen, the stored energy inside your muscles that gets used up during any kind of activity or exercise. Refueling glycogen quickly is important because it helps your muscles recover faster and reduces fatigue. Plus, figs bring antioxidants, vitamin K and vitamin B6 into the mix, all of which contribute to muscle recovery and overall health. Vitamin K supports bone and muscle strength, while vitamin B6 helps your body turn the protein you eat into usable energy and muscle-building materials. When you add figs into your daily diet, you're not just helping your digestion, you're directly supporting your muscles' ability to bounce back, stay strong, and keep you moving comfortably. As you age, 5 pineapple, it's actually a powerful tool for fighting inflammation and helping your muscles recover, especially as you get older. One of pineapple's standout features is an enzyme called bromelain, which naturally reduces inflammation in your body. This is really important for people over 60 because chronic inflammation can slow down muscle healing and make soreness longer after any kind of activity. Bromelain works by breaking down proteins that can cause swelling and discomfort, so it helps reduce muscle pain and stiffness if you're active or trying to stay moving. Eating pineapple after exercise can speed up recovery and help repair damaged muscle tissue more quickly. But bromelain isn't the only benefit. Pineapple is also rich in vitamin C, a vital nutrient your body uses to build collagen. Collagen keeps your muscles, tendons, and ligaments strong and flexible, which lowers the chance of injury and helps you stay active without pain. Pineapple also provides manganese, a mineral that supports energy production inside your muscle cells. This means your muscles can work harder and recover faster because they're getting the fuel they need at a cellular level. Another reason pineapple is a great choice for older adults is because it's packed with natural sugars and water. These help replenish your energy and keep you hydrated after physical activity, 2 things your body really needs to bounce back quickly. When you combine all these benefits, pineapple becomes more than just a tasty snack. It's a natural, delicious way to reduce muscle soreness, fight inflammation, and support your muscles in staying strong and healthy as you age. Including pineapple in your diet can make a real difference in how your muscles feel and how well they recover day after day. 6 prunes. One of the biggest challenges for seniors is fighting muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, and often at the same time dealing with weaker bones or osteoporosis. Prunes help on both fronts. They're loaded with powerful antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, which is a major reason our muscles get damaged and weaker over time. By reducing the stress, prunes help preserve muscle strength and speed up recovery after physical activity. But the benefits don't stop there. Prunes contain important nutrients like boron and vitamin K, both of which are key players in keeping your bones strong and dense. Stronger bones provide a solid foundation for your muscles to work properly and help lower the risk of fractures and falls, which is crucial as we get older. When your bones are healthy, your muscles don't have to work as hard to support your movements, and that means you can stay more active and independent longer. Another way prunes help is by supporting your digestive system. They're a natural way to keep things moving smoothly in your gut, which might sound simple, but it's essential because good digestion means your body can better absorb the nutrients your muscles need, especially protein, potassium, and calcium. These nutrients are the building blocks for muscle repair, contraction, and overall function. Without proper absorption, even the healthiest diet can fall short. On top of all that, prunes provide vitamin A, which helps with tissue repair, and potassium, which is vital for proper muscle contractions and maintaining fluid balance in your body. Together, these nutrients help your muscles stay strong, flexible, and ready to support your daily activities. Adding prunes to your diet isn't just good for digestion, it's a simple, natural way to protect your muscles and bones so you can keep living your life with strength and confidence. 7 pears might seem like a simple, everyday fruit, but they quietly pack some powerful benefits when it comes to protecting your muscles as you age. Their mild sweetness and crisp texture make them an easy and enjoyable snack, but the real magic lies in what they do inside your body. Pears are loaded with flavonoids, which are natural antioxidants that help protect your muscle fibers from damage caused by everyday stress and aging. But pears don't just protect your muscles. They also fight inflammation, one of the sneakiest causes of muscle loss over time. The polyphenol found in this anti-inflammatory power makes pears especially important for seniors who want to maintain muscle health and keep moving without pain or stiffness holding them back. Beyond that, pears bring important nutrients like vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in producing collagen. Collagen keeps your muscles, joints, and tendons flexible and strong, so you can avoid injuries and feel comfortable staying active. Pears also provide copper, a mineral that helps deliver oxygen to your muscles, giving them the energy they need to work and repair. Plus, they're rich in fiber, which supports a healthy gut. And a healthy gut means your body can absorb the protein and minerals your muscles depend on. When you add it all up, pears are a gentle but powerful fruit that supports muscle strength in several ways. They protect your muscle fibers, reduce harmful inflammation, boost collagen production, improve oxygen delivery, and help your digestion run smoothly. And the best part? They taste great and are easy to include in your daily diet. Eating pears regularly can be a simple step toward rebuilding muscle and feeling stronger, helping you keep your independence and enjoy life after 60. As we've seen, these 7 fruits aren't just tasty, they're powerful allies in helping rebuild muscle and slow down muscle loss after 60. From the energy-boosting dates to the inflammation-fighting pineapple, each fruit brings something special to the table. When you include them in your daily meals, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to stay strong, recover faster, and keep moving with confidence. Remember, taking care of your muscles isn't just about what you eat. It's about making these small changes part of your everyday life. Pairing these fruits with gentle exercise can help you feel stronger, more balanced, and ready to enjoy life to the fullest. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share this video. And before you go, check out our next video on simple exercises perfect for rebuilding muscle after 60. Your strength journey starts here. See you there. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.